Omo, see in this life the way some of us are afraid of snake, and some of these people want to prove to us that they are not afraid of snake, it just the boss my mind. No, like what is this guy trying to do? This what is this guy trying to do now? Is he trying to catch the snake or what? Look at this big snake. Are you going to catch him? And even if you catch him, what are you going to use it for? Are you going to use it to prepare food or what? This is crazy, this is insane. Snakes are very strong. That is one thing that people downplay. Snakes, they are one of those animals who are very, very strong. Snakes are very strong. If you don't know that, I am telling you today. So watch this video, and let's see which one is the strongest. If it is humans who are strong or snakes, it's just that we have an advantage of them because we have weapons. Okay, we have weapons that we can use against them to make them feel weak so that we can overpower them. But if we are going like face to face, physically, as this man is trying to do, trust me, let's see who actually wins at the end of this video. Because this snake, as it is right now, it can swallow human being. This snake can swallow person. So if man is playing with fire, trust me, he's playing with fire. This is hellfire. Okay, don't underestimate snakes because of their ability to mend their body. It makes them very, very, very powerful. Okay, because they can coil around you and disposition you and have an advantage over you. Okay, I am even shocked. Why would someone carry a camera and watch his brother man suffer this way? Follow, even me, I am afraid already. I am afraid for you. I'm afraid for your life. Abeg be careful. E be snake this one no be person. E be snake. Why, if you have strength, why don't you go fight somebody else? Why no go and stand in the boxing ring? Why are you fighting snake now? What has the snake done to you? This is not fair now. This can't be even fair. Just call the forestry commission. Let them come for their own snake and go and put it somewhere so that we can go for tourist attraction now. This one that you are doing, what if the snake dies? So if the snake die, what will you say? How will you explain it? What have the snake done to you? This is not fair now. Some of these things that we do to some of these animals, it's not really fair. Oh my God. Even as I'm making this video, I am very scared. I am so, so, so afraid. But what can I do? I have to still try and do this video. Okay. I am scared for my brother man. But my brother man is not even listening. If it was me, oh my God, I may even collapse before even the snake sees me. Like, if it was me that I saw the snake lying down somewhere, even as the snake hasn't seen me, I have collapsed. But this one that you are doing, be careful, please be careful. Oh well, since you are not listening, oh yeah, make we watch the video.